To create a Sway wallet in Mises browser, start by opening the Mises browser on your device. The Mises browser is a blockchain-enabled browser that allows you to interact with various blockchain platforms, including Sway. Once the browser is open, navigate to the Sway network by clicking on the wallet icon, usually located at the top right corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, select Sway as your preferred network. Next, click on the Create Wallet option to initiate the wallet creation process. You will be prompted to create a password for your wallet, which is essential for securing your wallet and funds. Choose a strong and unique password, and make sure to store it safely. After creating your password, you will be presented with a seed phrase, which is a list of words used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. Write down the seed phrase and store it in a safe location, as it is crucial for wallet recovery. With your password and seed phrase in place, your Sway wallet is now created. You can view your wallet address, which is used to receive Sway coins, and your balance, which displays the amount of Sway coins you hold. To receive Sway coins, copy your wallet address and share it with the sender. To send Sway coins, enter the recipient's wallet address, specify the amount you want to send, and confirm the transaction. Best practices for securing your Sway wallet include using a strong and unique password, storing your seed phrase safely, and keeping your browser and wallet software up to date. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a secure Sway wallet in Mises browser and start interacting with the Sway network.